One going.
Show me one. Show me one.
Hey,
Oh yeah.
boyfriend's back. You want to see him flap his wings?
Oh, you mean you're eating them alive?
Hold on, Lisa. Hold on.
Are we recording?
I am recording.
All right, here we go. Here we go. 2007. One. All right, here we go.
Oh, baby, swallow those things all the way down.
Gone.
Slither them down your throat. Oh my gosh. To cicadas. Oh, Lisa, give me another shot of that. I like it.
Yeah, too late.
They're alive.
Yeah.
They were alive.
They were.
I'll do
Good for you. My son had them last night.
Keep that camera rolling. I should have chewed mine. I could feel them squiggling in there.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Ah!
Wings are a little hard to get down.
Yeah. You gotta rip those off.
Take one down your throat, man. Come on, let me see it. Let me see it.
Come on, Bill,
Let me
go
see
for
it.
it. Piece of cake.
Show me it down your throat, man.
I ate one already.
Do another one.
All right, here we go.
Wait, no, does that have carrots in it?
You realize in 17 years that sucker will come back up, don't you?
Anybody else? Come on. Let's go.
I heard that.
Bill, you'll wake up
Got lots
and
of
you're
them
going
here.
to fart and wings are going to come flying out.
17 years from now, it's going to come out your asshole.
No. 17 years from
Tastes
now.
like a thing.
It doesn't move around.
I don't want it.
What did it taste like?
To me, it was like peanut butter.
Ralph says peanut
Well, I
butter.
did too.
I like the second
do
one
another
tastes
one.
A little bit better. Yeah.
Do another one. Do another one. Do another one.
I had two.
Do another one.
Okay.
Let's see you do another one.
Oh, that's a shelf here. Is that guy left?
Yeah, he's like,
No, Bill, you just got.
He's alive.
Oh, baby.
Chow down.
Chow down. Oh, man. 17 years, it'll come out your asshole.
On.
I like that. Anybody else?
you going
Lisa?
on YouTube with this?
Dad.
I hope so.
She did.
Tim's going on.
Tim, you gonna do another one?
Yeah.
Let's do another one.
All right.
Tim's doing another one. Keep it
This
going.
one too.
Oh, that's
I'm going to swallow him too.
See that guy. Hold on.
Just one on record.
Go for it. Oh my God. Life has. Your life. You're about to end, buddy.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh God.
I got absolutely nothing. And I
Lisa, you gonna do one more? Please. Please, because I didn't get your first one, please.
We got a real trooper here.
That's right, I got my one.
You did.
Man, she hit on her tongue too.
Somebody else?
The only girl who was
Sue?
Oh, come on. So here, honey. Go.
Lisa, take one more.
Ate that puppy.
Please.
No, that's a big one. I got a.
We got some more here.
This is not a real big one.
Here, there's a
You know what?
little
Tears
one right
wings
here.
off.
It's like, no, actually,
Tear the wings off.
I think you should put
That's
the rest
real
of them.
unhuman.
Put
Tear
the rest of
wings
them in
off.
your hair and let them crawl
I
around.
ripped the wings
Yeah,
out. They were
That's inhuman.
on the way down.
It's inhuman, but you
Yeah, but eating it's okay.
gotta hold the wings to eat it.
Crush the sucker in your mouth.
Oh, baby. Oh, you're good.
I can hear
You should go on Survivor.
That's what I just said. They could all go on.
Popcorn?
Now, you know in 10 years,
It's Papillon revisited.
Well, hold on. This is important.
I'll be fighting
What?
what?
you'll be fighting them for ground space.
I won't be here in 17 years.
Exactly, you'll be
Yeah.
fighting them for ground space.
That's
Yeah,
what
I know.
Vito said the
Yeah,
other
it's
day.
right.
Yeah, I had peanut.
He
I
was
had,
counting down.
Well, hey,
Peanut butter? I love peanut butter.
the last one tastes like
Does it taste like chicken?
Congratulations, we did it, guys.
No, it doesn't taste like
chicken.
We are
Tastes like
ourselves around
chicken.
the
All right,
clock.
you better play
Hey!
Cicadas rock!
Your battery's going dead as we speak
Yeah, the
now.
wings are a little